Photographers, would you like to make gorgeous studio magazines with matching marketing cards that are all pre-designed and pre-written for you? If that's what you like to do, you want to stick around. I'm also going to show you how to create sample albums, wall art, and cards without having to pay for those samples to the lab to include in your studio magazine. Let's dive right in. We'll show you how to design a studio magazine just like this, as well as matching marketing cards. We'll also show you how to create fake albums, cards, and wall art samples to put into your magazine. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the design library where we will download magazine designs and matching marketing cards. So first click Design Library, then Magazine Designs. And here you'll see all of the different studio magazines. For this example, we'll scroll down to weddings, and here are a number of wedding styles. We're going to use this style, so I've downloaded that. Next, we'll go to card designs, and I'll go to marketing cards, and then scroll all the way to the bottom. And under wedding, you will see different types of wedding designs. So for example, wedding gift certificate. Right, so here is the matching wedding gift certificate. You'll notice there's version 2, 3, etc. That will match with the magazines. Here's a card just about wedding cards. And then also the matching one for wall art. So download any cards and magazine templates you would like to use, and we'll show you how to automate that. Next, import your photos, not only your photographs, but any photos of albums, wall art, etc. Additionally, you'll see here I have imported fake albums and wall art. So remember, here is a quick tip. If you create and upload a proof, after you upload that proof, you can click Export Top-Down Graphic. So I've created this top-down graphic, and now I can export it. In wall art, when viewing wall art, you can click the export button, and then you can click export wall preview, and that will export not only the wall art, but the stock room behind it. So you can have pretty wall art, not only for your studio magazines, but also for your website. And finally, for every card you design, you can export the print version of this card for something high resolution, and then you can import that JPEG into the project, just like I've done here. And you can import that card into the project so you can use it in your studio magazine. Now it's time to design. Simply click the design wizard. I'm going to go to albums. Let's turn that on. Let's create a new album. I'm going to choose Miller's, and then I'll choose Studio Magazine. Even if you're not going to print through Miller's, this is a standard magazine size that you can print many places, or in a click, you can order direct through Miller's. For cover, choose No Cover. For design style, choose the wedding magazine you would like to design with, and then ignore most of the other settings. Have wall art turned off. Then for cards, let's go ahead and turn those on, and then let's choose marketing cards. Marketing cards are designed specifically for 6x8 vertical cards. So choose 6x8 and vertical, flat cards, and now with cards on and albums on, now let's go ahead and open that album. And you see here we have a blank magazine. Now, one thing you will love is that the writing has been pre-written for you by a professional writer. All you have to do is go in and tweak the writing and put in your studio name. And from there, all you have to do is go through and start dropping in your photos. And under the wall art section, we'll drop in that fake wall art. Where it talks about albums, we'll drop in that fake album, and the same with the cards. Next, go to your cards. We have a gift certificate card. If you design this as vertical and you'd rather have a horizontal gift card, simply click the size button, change from vertical to horizontal, click save, and that's it. Change your studio name, phone number, etc., and those cards are ready to export. Once your magazine is done, you can click export. You can order that directly from Miller's in quantities of 25, or you can export for print anywhere, or export as a web PDF and then host that PDF on your website or send to your clients. And that's how to design studio magazines and marketing cards in Fundy Designer. If you like this tutorial and it helped your business, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you don't own Fundy Designer yet, download the trial. It's free to use. We think you'll love it.